Let's discuss why animals and birds like monkeys, rabbits, tigers, peacocks, etc. are coming to villages and towns. The human beings have destroyed the forest, hills, jungles in the name of projects, factories, companies, etc. The human beings occupied the lands on the top of hills in the central zone of the forest, jungle, etc. and cultivating. They made that land as fields and cultivating lakes, ponds, fruit trees, root trees, etc. of animals and birds are destroyed by the humans. As there is no food and water to the animals and birds in the forest jungles, those animals are coming to villages and towns. When they come to villages and towns, the ghosts, devils, demons type people, cruel genes people are killing and eating them. This is the truth and fact. God's law says all animals and birds to lead life in the forest, hillock areas, jungles, etc. And humans to lead life just away from the forest, that is, village or town, city, etc. You must remember one thing. Generally, crocodiles eat fishes, etc., and other animals. Tigers, lions, pythons, etc., eat sheep, hens, etc. Dogs eat fishes, hens, sheep, etc. Cats eat rats and some birds, etc. Human beings' food is plants-based food. Humans have to eat grains, fruits, that is plants-based food. All kinds of people, all groups of people, all religions people, and all departments, NGOs, trust, organizations, etc. must save forest, jungles, hills, the best systems and true divine law, so as to extend the lifespan of the earth and human beings. This is the godly truth, fact, and science-based aspects.